Hello everyone, this is me Gavnexl. I'm back again with another video on this channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys best free calling apps of Android. So in this video, after watching this video, you guys could make free calls anywhere using one of these apps, and these are for free. These are available in the Play Store. It is fully free to download. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video and let me show you guys that right now. So today I'm going to show you guys 5 apps that are going to help you guys to make free calls using your Android device. So right now I'm just going to straight jump into the apps. So at number 5 we have Text Free. So if you go to the Play Store and search for Text Free, then you will see this app. So this is the first one. So if you open it, so then as you can see, it has 4.5 star ratings. It has over 10 million plus downloads. And if you scroll down, then you will see the reviews that everyone has said. So this app can allow you to make free calls and free text using this application, and that is for totally free. So let's move on to number 4. So at number 4 we have Text Now. So if you go to Play Store and search for Text Now, then you will see that this is Text Now. So Text Now has 4.4 star ratings and have 50 million plus downloads, and this is also going to allow you to make free calls and free text using this app. So if you scroll down, then you will see the reviews, and this one is going pretty perfect, so you can use that as well. Here's the screenshots available. If you want to see the features and stuff, you can check it out. So at number 3 we have Freetone FreeCalls. So as you can see, in Freetone we have 4.3 star rating. It has 5 million plus downloads, and as you can see, this app will allow you to make free calls and free texting. You can see the screenshots from over here that what you can do, so you can try that app as well for making free calls. So let's move on for the second app. So at number 2 we have Talk You Free Calls. So as you can see, I've searched for Talk to You, and as you can see, this is a Talk You free calling and free texting app. It is also available internationally, so you can make free calls worldwide, and this is very great. You can just use this app and make free calls. As you can see it over here, it has 4.5 star ratings. It has 10 million plus downloads, and as you can see the screenshots over here as well, and you can even see the reviews if you scroll down. So that's pretty much easily this app is. It is really free, and I have used it personally, so I can recommend you guys to use that. This one is really great. It has a really great user experience, and the free calls are very great, so I will surely recommend you guys that. So let's move on to the number 1 app. So at number 1 we have Dingtone. So as you can see, after searching for Dingtone, you will see this. So if I open it, as you can see, it is Dingtone, which has 4.6 star ratings, which has over 10 million downloads, and as you can see the screenshots available here. You can go through these, and you can even read the reviews, as you can see if you scroll down. So the thing I want to tell you guys is that Dingtone is the best free calling apps available. So you can make a lot of free calls and lots of free text using this app, and the best thing is this is also available internationally, so you can make free calls and free text anywhere in this world, and that is very great. So I have personally used that app, and I am very satisfied with it, so I will also tell you guys to use that. So you guys also make sure to check it out. This will give you guys the best experience for making free calls using your Android device. So those were the free calling apps of Android, which is going to help you guys to make free calls anywhere using these free apps. So these are free to download in the Play Store, so you can just go and search for these apps, and the link will be also mentioned in the description. You can also click on that link and download these apps. So that was the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you guys did, then make sure to leave a like and comment down below if you know any app which can help us to make free calls. And if you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe for more awesome and helpful videos in the future. So that was the video, guys. As always, enjoy. See you guys in the next video.